Travel with 2A. Don't worry for what you don't have. Travel as you can.
Lake Iseo, in Italian Lago di Iseo, also known as Savino, is the fourth largest lake in Lombardy, Italy, fed by the Oglio River. It is in the north of the country in the Val Camonica area, near the cities of Brescia and Bergamo. The lake is almost equally divided between the provinces of Bergamo and Brescia. Northern Italy is known for its heavily industrialized towns, and in between there are several natural lakes. Lake Iseo retains its natural environment, with its lush green mountains surrounding the crystal-clear lake. Lake Iseo has max length 25 kilometers and surface area 65.3 square kilometers. Its average depth 124 meters and max depth 251 meters. There are several medieval towns around the lake, the largest being Iseo and Sarnico. A notable tourism sector has emerged. A road has been carved into the side of the mountains that circumnavigates the entire lake. In the middle of the lake there are Monte Isola Island, Loreto Isle, and San Paolo Isle. There is easy access via the regular running lake ferries. The communes of Lake Iseo: Iseo, Sulzano, Marone, Sale Maracino, Pizzone, Paratico, Monte Isola, Sarnico, Perdore, Tavernola Bergamasca, Riva di Solto, Castro, Lover, Costa Volpino.
Places you should visit in Lake Iseo. Iseo City and natural reserves of Tombiere. Solzano City. Salamarazino, there are a lot of ancient churches to visit, and San Zenone Vescovo one of them. Marone City and San Pietro e Paolo Church. If you hike to see this church, you can get an amazing view of Lake Iseo. Piramidi di Zone Nature Reserve. Paesage City. Monte Isola, Loreto and San Paolo Islands. Sarnico City. If you hike mountains are located at around the lake, you can see different views of Lake Iseo. Morone, Monte Isola, Pison, Sale Maracino and Solzano are part of the National Association dell'Olio, and the oil produced in the area boasts the DO Pass dei Laghi Lombardi mentioned Sabino, for which the producers follow a specification for cultivation and production. If you visit Lake Iseo from October to December, you can see collecting of olive harvest and process of making olive oil. Lake Iseo is one of best place for you while spending your vacation get adventure experience. Here are some activities you can do here. Walking. Walking is a best exercise for both your body and mind. Share your life with your loved ones and to see the beauty of nature, Lake Iseo natural environment is perfect for it. Hiking. Lake Iseo is surrounded by the Green Mountains. Different surfaces of these mountains help you to get unforgettable hiking experience and different views of lake. Cycling. There are dedicated cycle lanes around the lake. Boat rides. To reach Monte Isola Island you can take a daily boat from Solzano or Sale Maracino. Paragliding and hang gliding. Boat tour to other islands in the lake. Fishing. Fishing is permitted everywhere on the lake, provided you have a temporary fishing license. It is valid for a year and for foreigners as well, and consists of paying the regional tax of 23. Other water sports you can do here: ski, kayak, sail, canoe, swim and more.
If you're planning your next vacation, this is the best place for it. Visiting Lake Iseo makes for a peaceful and relaxing holiday away from the masses, and it's one of the best places you can collect unforgettable memories for your vacation diary. Come here and get this experience. In the description box I have attached the link to the official website of Lake Iseo. Visiting this website you can get more information and book some activities in Lake Iseo. In next video I will bring you transport, accommodation, and foods in Lake Iseo. If you like my videos, please like and share. Subscribe my channel for more travel destinations and videos. Thank you for watching.